how to redeem Destiny 2 codes. Hello and welcome back to our channel. And in this video, you will learn how you can easily redeem Destiny 2 in bulk codes. So, without any further ado, open any browser and in the search box, type in bungie.net. After that, once you go to Bungie.net, you want to make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you are logged in to your Bungie account, you'll be able to see your profile on the top right corner. Now click on your profile and then at the bottom you'll find an option called Redeem Code. Simply tap on Redeem Code option. It will take you to a new page where it will ask us to redeem our code. Now simply enter the code, and once you enter the code, you want to make sure you have typed in everything correctly. And once you're done, go ahead and tap on Redeem. And then your code will be successfully redeemed on Destiny 2. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.